Hello everyone, welcome back. This week's lesson is going to be going over the isometric views. So I'm going to give you guys a link to the other two. So this is going to be 3 of 3 isometric views for this week. So pretty much what an isometric view is whenever you guys actually have a shape just like this that's angled in a specific direction. So for this one, yeah, this is pretty much considered like an isometric view. And the reason why it's color coded is just like on the other videos, you're gonna be following the isometric cube up here. So you're gonna be seeing the front, the top, and then the side view. So these are always gonna stay the same, no matter what direction. If this is rotating and maybe backwards, this is still gonna be it's gonna stay the same. So on this one, I guess for the angles, what I mean by this is if you guys actually see the lines that I'm clicking on, and I'm just gonna copy these down basically so you guys could actually see it. So these lines are actually drawn at 30, 60, 90, 120 angles. So every 30 degrees, this is pretty much the rule for isometric views. They're drawn at 30 degrees angles. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw this from scratch. So let me just move down here. These are considered orthographic projections. So orthographic projections are your top, your front, and your side view. So we're going to be using these dimensions from the top, front, and side view to create our isometric isometric view. So I'm just going to copy this down just as a reference. So for your first step is actually setting up your, I'm just going to change this real quick. You are going to be using your polar setting. So the reason why is because on your polar setting, you're going to have a little arrow, which is going to give you the different angles. So by default, you're either going to have it in 90 or 45. We're going to be using a 30-degree angle. So we don't have to worry about trying to figure out if it's on the right angle. So you're going to be using the 30, 60, 90, 120. And you guys can double check on it. If it has a check mark right in front of it, that means it's set. So now we're actually ready to start. So on this one, we're actually going to be going in, starting from the side view, and then working yourself way up to the top, and then like finishing off with the front view on this one. It's a lot easier. So always pick a view that it's kind of like going which view it's going to be easier to start. So we're going to be starting with this one. So we're going to be at the top right corner. So this is going to be the bottom right corner on this one. So I'm drawing down here. So we're going to be going over 3. Now we're going to be going up 1. Sorry. We're going to be going up 1. And then we're going to be going over 3 as well. And we're just going to close the line. So now we got our side view. Now we're going to be going to the top view. So since I guess on this one we have an angle, so we're gonna avoid angles on this one. That's gonna be the last step you guys are gonna be doing. Whenever you guys see angles, do that last. So we're gonna be doing the front view on this one. So now we're gonna be starting at this point. So this point is gonna be this point right here. So we're gonna be going over 5. And on this one, you get a 1 right here, so that's going to be the same 1. So you're going to be going up 1, which is, we already got it right here. And then like, okay, that's going to be your angle. So we got it over 5. Now we're going to be going up 4. now we're gonna be going over two. So we don't have it like on the front view, but we have it on top view for that dimension. So we're gonna be going over two. So now, since we have the side view, just so you guys can know, I'm just gonna move this down. We are gonna draw a line over. This is gonna be 3, just because it's side view. It's gonna be the same as this. So we're gonna be going over 3. And we're pretty much gonna copy that over. So it's gonna be, it's gonna be this one. So we're just gonna copy it over. And now we're just gonna finish that line up here. Now we got that angle, so now we could actually connect it from this point to this point, and we just gotta draw a line. So we're gonna connect it here, and then we're gonna connect it here. So now, actually, we're done. So if you guys could rewind, but this is pretty much the idea of how to create an isometric view using example 3. Thank you.